What is up, everybody? This is your boy Captain Fernie, and I'm bringing you a video of what I think it's a new car series, I guess. I'm gonna be restoring my 1988 GTA Trans Am, and as you can see, it's right there. Let me go ahead and show you what parts are missing. So as you guys can see, I'm missing the radiator. Missing the radiator fans. Missing the big ass alternator. The starter should be somewhere down there probably. I don't have a clue, to be honest. The battery, they cut the harness. I believe this is for the battery, but they cut the harness. They also cut the damn hood release. As you can see, it's all messed up. So yeah, so this is just gonna be my project for the next, I don't even know. I'm gonna try and get it up and running within the month and just see what I can get out of it. This was my dad's old car. He used to be a lowrider. We got the spokes right here. We got the tip tops. The interior is all messed up. It's a digital dash. So yeah, guys, this is my project that I will be working for the next, like I said, couple months. And yeah, wish me luck. Thanks. No. How did you get it? No. Yeah. Yeah.